behalf of the people of Bacolod and my family, Miquiabas, I would like to greet a happy birthday to our beloved Governor Angging Quebranza de Maporo. And si Gub Angging, atong nakita nga siya ang atong inahan sa probinsya sa Lanao del Norte. Og akong nakita sa iyang pagkainahan ang hiyas sa pagkamanghihatagon, maluluyon, matinabangon, ug mahigugmaon kanatong katawhan sa probinsya sa Lanao del Norte. Ug Gub, akong i-declare ang pulong sa Ginoo diha sa Jeremiah 29 verse 11 nagaingon, "For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, say the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end." Happy birthday, Gub Angging. I love you.
Sa pagsugat sa tuig 2025, ako, uban sa akong pamilya, ug sa katawhan sa lungsod sa Kulambugan, akong ipaabot sa atong inahan sa probinsya sa Lanao del Norte, si Gub Imelda Angging Quebranza de Mapuro, sa iyang dako kay nga tabang nga gihatag sa lungsod sa Kulambugan, gikan sa mga assistants ug labaw sa tanan kaning proyekto nga iyang gihatag kaning hospital nga matukod diha sa atong barangay Ribocon, nga maghatag ug mag-cater sa tanang katawhan, dili lang sa katawhan sa lungsod sa Kulambugan. Akong ipaabot og dugang nining iyang pagsaulog sa iyang birthday nga unta magmalipayon siya. Malipayon nga iyang saulogon uban sa panghinaot. Ako uban sa akong pamilya o sa katawhan sa lungsod sa Kulambugan nga daghan pa kayong katuigan nga iyang i-celebrate og among panghinaot nga unta kining tuig 2025 sa iyang pagkandidato pohon kay last term naman siya. Dugang namong pagpaningkamot para sa iyaha. Og niadtong panahon nga gitreat minimo uban ni Alma nga nangadto mi og gikuyog minimo sa Japan, sa kinisingkasing akong pasalamat Gub Angging, ug sa makausapa, happy birthday Gub Angging.
Happy birthday sa among inahan sa probinsya sa Lanao del Norte. Ako nagpasalamat sa tanang suporta ug pagsalig nimo sa ako ug sa katawhan sa lungsod sa Kapatagan. Kami malipayon sa imong 9 years nga serbisyo isip gobernador. Nang hinaot kami nga dungagan pa ang imong kinabuhi sa atong Ginoo aron daghan pa ang imong maserbisyuhan. I wish you good health and happiness, Gub Angging. Uban sa imong pamilya, usab, happy birthday, Gub Angging.
Happy birthday, Madam Governor. How extraordinary leader who really inspire us all. Your vision, strength, and unwavering commitment to serving the people set a remarkable example for us to follow. I hope nga sa imong special day maghatag kanimo sa kalipay, kalinaw o kalampusan nga I know you truly deserve. I wish you continued wisdom, good health, and prosperity in the years ahead. Have a fantastic celebration, Madam Governor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In behalf of the local government and the people of Matungao wishes the mother of Lanao del Norte, Gobernador Angging Guimbranza de Maporo, happy birthday. Gob, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na naibigay nyo dito sa munisipyo natin para sa development ng munisipyo natin, Gob. Wishing you good health, more blessing, and more birthday to come. Again, happy birthday, Gob.
Happy birthday, Gob Angging. Salamat kayo sa imong pag-alagad sa probinsya sa Lanao del Norte, ilabi na sa tibuok katawhan sa lungsod sa Lala. Wishing you the best. Just enjoy your day, and may this year bring you the greatest success and fulfillment. Happy birthday, Gob.
Hi, Mom. And every January 15, you are celebrating your Natal Day, in which I really appreciate everything that I've learned from you. I always treasure those days. You would always be the best and the very first mom that I ever know who've been facing strong battles, and on those strong battles has been given only to the strongest people. I really appreciate and treasure those days and the reminders that have been into me. You really changed my life also, Mom, because with all those reminders. Thank you so much, Mom. I wish you all the best in 2025. The strongest mom, the most wonderful mom I ever know. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Tita Angging. Wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings. And akong daw gyud na wish gyud is be a blessing sa katawhan diri, ilabi na sa atong lalawigan sa Lanao del Norte. O pasalamat ko sa imong mga tabang o mga serbisyo na gihatag o gipakita sa tibuok Lanao del Norte, ilabi na sa lungsod sa Sultan Naga Limaporo. And again, happy birthday, Tita Angging. We love you and enjoy your day.
Hi, Gob. This is to extend our birthday greetings to our beloved dynamic Governor Angging Guimbranza de Maporo. Gob, wishing you more birthdays to celebrate with a good health. And I would like also to take this opportunity to extend our immense gratitude for all the blessings that the municipality of Nunungan has achieved under your leadership. Gob, you are very instrumental in turning Nunungan from being a sleeping municipality to a progressive one. And we are very grateful that Nunungan is now a recipient of various awards such as the Seal of Good Local Governance, Gawad Kalasag, Good Financial Housekeeping, and finally, reclassified as first-class municipality. And I believe this could not have been possible without your support and guidance. And also, Gob, I owe to you my position as LMP President of Lanao del Norte Chapter, and eventually the National Vice President for External Affairs. So thank you so much for the trust and continued support. And again, happy birthday, Gob. Thank you so much.
happy birthday sa akong idol na pinakagwapa na gobernador sa Tibok Pilipinas, no, ang inahan sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. Kanako karon gatindog ko, no, sa Munay Terminal, mao ni ang gihatag sa mga sa Munay. Ingani man kagwapa ang Munay, no, liwat sa imo Gob kay gwapa man ka, so nagwapa ko ang Munay tungod sa imong tabang sa amuan, no. Daghang kayo salamat, Gob, and happy birthday again.
Sa imong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw na tawhan, Gob Angging, dawata ang among kinasingkasing nga pagpahalipay gikan sa imong kapamilya, kapatid, kapuso sa Provincial Government of Lanao del Norte. Happy birthday, Gob Angging!
Happy birthday, Gob Angging Quibranza di Maporo, from Barangay Labuhay, Alagang Gob Angging. Happy birthday, Ma'am Angging Quibranza di Maporo. We wish you all the best. We love you from Liana's family. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Angging Quibranza di Maporo, from Liana's family. With love. Happy birthday, Ma'am Angging, from Liana's Kambingan. We love you.
Sino bang tutulong sa'yo kundi ang katulad namin, kaibigan mo kami. Sa amin mo sabihin ang problema mo, at magtiwala ka, di ka mabibigo. Kasama mo kami sa hirap at ginhawa, at may kasama ka sa iyong pag-iisa. Kapag nasaktan ka ay huwag kang susuko, kahit may takot ka ay huwag kang magtago. Di ka nag-iisa, kasama mo kami. Tawagin mo lamang, di ka mabibigo. Kaibigan kita. Sino ang tutulong sa'yo kundi ang katulad namin, kaibigan mo kami.
Sa ngalan ng Provincial Governor Staff, kami ay bumabati sa aming pinakamabuting ina ng Lanao del Norte at aming kaibigan, Imelda Angging Quibranza di Maporo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagawa mo para sa amin. Lubos kaming natutuwa dahil naging bahagi kami ng iyong buhay. Ngayong kaarawan mo, wala kaming hinihiling kung hindi ang iyong kaligayahan at tagumpay. Maligayang kaarawan, Ma'am Angging. Thank you once again.
Thank you for playing my music. Thank you for singing my song. Thank you for sharing a moment. 'Cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. And if our path should cross somewhere, I'd like to sing this song again. Thank you for playing my music. Thank you for singing my song. Thank you for sharing a moment. 'Cause with you I feel I really belong. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for being my friend. And if our path should go somewhere, I'd like to sing this song again. Path should go somewhere, then I'm really glad, yes I'm really be glad that I can thank you once again. Happy birthday, Ma'am Angging! We love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Governor Angging Di Mapuro. Di na lang ako isulting edad kay masinsaw tanaw kanimo, guwapa magyapong kay ka. So, it seems that wag yung ka nag-age. No? And aside from greeting your birthday, I would like to thank you for leading us in the Regional Development Council, and again, looking forward for the remainder of the term para maplastar nato ang tanang development plan for Region 10. Again, thank you very much, and may you have more and more birthdays.
Dear Governor, it gives me great pleasure to congratulate you on your 66th birthday. Over the years, I have witnessed your resilience and strength, all contributing to your healthy recovery. May you be blessed with good health and many more birthdays to celebrate. With warmest wishes, Chai.
Mayang adlaw, Tita Angging, happy birthday. Hinaot nga tagaan ka pa sa Ginoo o daghan pa nga tuig sa pagserbisyo sa katawhan diha sa Lanao del Norte. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to one of my favorite persons, Gov Angging. Gov, I don't believe in accidents. Thus, I believe that I was transferred here in 2019 because I will serve under the First Lady, RDC Chair of Region 10. I feel blessed, Gov, because you are not only my boss, but you're also my friend. You are grace personified. You are kindness and compassion personified. You are a gift and a blessing to many, including to me and my family. On this your birthday, Gov, I pray for your sustained good health, protection, and guidance. I also pray that God will grant the fondest and truest wishes of your heart. Happy birthday, Gov, and I will miss you when we go to the House of Representatives, but I will visit you there. Enjoy your birthday, Gov.
Happy birthday, Gov Angging! Wishing you the best! Woo!
Happy birthday, Governor Angging. Your visionary leadership and unwavering dedication as chairperson of NEDA RDC 10 continues to inspire all of us in bringing growth and prosperity to our region. May the Lord continue to bless you with joy, good health, and renewed energy to continue all your advocacies in service of the people of Lanao del Norte and its environs. You serve as a good example of public leadership that goes way beyond service above self. Cheers and happy birthday again.
On this special day, we celebrate not only your leadership, but also your dedication to the people of Lanao del Norte.
Happy birthday!
Pinakamamahal na Governor ng Lanao del Norte, Governor Imelda Dimaporo, ma'am. Ako po si Colonel Malinit, the former commander of the 4th Mechanized Battalion, ay bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan at sana gabayan pa kayo ng ating Panginoon ng mahabang buhay. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday.
To Honorable Governor Imelda Anguing Quibranza Dimaporo, ma'am. Wishing you a happy birthday and continued good health and continuous blessing. I'd like to thank you, ma'am, for your support to the whole mechanized unit of Lanao del Norte, especially during my stint as the battalion commander of the 5th Mechanized Battalion, ma'am. I hope di kakalimot ako, ma'am. Kita-kita pa especially sa mga new endeavors natin, ma'am. Hopefully I could see you and work with you. Dagang salamat, ma'am.
To our Honorable Governor Imelda Anguing Quibranza Dimaporo, ma'am. Happy birthday. Hinaot nga tagaan ka og limsog na panglawas ug kanunay kang tagaan og blessings sa atong Ginoo. Also, ma'am, thank you for always supporting our unit, the 5th Mechanized Infantry Kagapay Battalion, sa partnership nato sa development and progress in the land of beauty and bounty, Lanao del Norte. Ma'am, agang salamat o enjoy sa imong birthday. God bless, ma'am. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Governor Imelda Quibranza Dimaporo. On this special day, we celebrate not only your birth, but also your unwavering dedication to our province. Your leadership inspired many, and we are grateful for your commitment to improving the lives of our citizens. Wishing you a year filled with health, happiness, and continued success on your province. Again, ma'am, many happy returns of the day, and God bless you always.
Sa minamahal naming Gobernador, Ma'am Anguing Quibranza Dimaporo, mula sa Tumik Brigade, isang maligayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. And I just would like to take this opportunity to give thanks for your support to our unit, and also to pray for your continuous services given to the people of Lanao del Norte. Sana tuloy-tuloy po yung pagtulong at pagtatrabaho natin. Muli,
magandang at maligayang kaarawan, Ma'am.
Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Hello, Governor Angging. Happy birthday and may you have more to come. See you soon. Bye.
On behalf of the Social Development Committee Chairperson, Mayor Eric Cañosa, and all the committee members, we wish our very dear Regional Development Council 10 Chairperson, Governor Angging Di Mapuro, both a very happy New Year and a very, very happy birthday. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Governor, from all of us.
Gob Angging, happy birthday. Sayang at hindi pa ako magaling. Sana nandiyan ako nakapasyal sa'yo. Anyway, may you have more birthdays to come at saka all the best. At papasyalan din kita pagka pwede na akong lumabas. Happy birthday ulit.
Governor Angging, happy birthday. Alam mo, tuwing nasa lugar mo ako, talagang believe ako sa development ng lugar mo. Isa sa sabihin natin, pinaka-develop in your area. No? Napakaganda ng mga kalye, ng mga infrastructures, at higit sa lahat, ang standards of living ng mga tao talagang naiangat mo. At masasaya. Everyone is talaga masasaya because it shows in your leadership, the leadership of your family. No? Kaya napakasipag mo, magpahinga ka naman. Ha? On this day, we wish you everything, good health, happiness, success, and prosperity. Napakabait mong tao, napakabait mong ina, napakabait mong kaibigan. No? Truly, you are not only a good leader, but you are a leader with a big heart. Kaya nga, lahat kami masaya for you. Mag-enjoy naman po kayo ng araw nyo. Sobrang sipag ninyo. Maligayang kaarawan po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Governor Imelda Angging Di Mapuro of Lanao del Norte. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May life lead you to great happiness, success, and hope that all your wishes come true. I wish you long life, good health, and prosperity. Patuloy lang po sa pagsiservisyo sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Ingat po parati.
Allow me to greet a very happy birthday to Governor Angging Di Mapuro of Lanao del Norte.